Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock at DEGIRO.ie. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DEGIRO website right here, DEGIRO.ie, and from here we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store and search for the application to install it. So once you've installed and open it up, it doesn't matter if you're on your PC web version or on the mobile application, the process is going to go the same. First thing we need to do is to go ahead and open an account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and open one right here in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, we can get started. We are going to go and be able to go directly to the NVIDIA stock page. So you can go right here to DEGIRO.ie/quote/NVIDIA stock. So this is going to be available right here in the knowledge page. That's going to enable you to access the quotes and to find the NVIDIA stock from where we can get started trading. So basically here you can go and take a look at the share prices, and you can go ahead and take a look at the charts, what the current prices are, how much you can sell, how much you can buy, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here, and you can go ahead and take a look at all the info. So as you can see, we need to go ahead and open an account if you do not already have an account. So once you're logged in, you're going to see the trade button right here. Using the trade button, you can get started buying, you can go and get in contact with some brokers and so on, and get started buying stocks into your account and into your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.